Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, June 21st, 2023. Happy first day of summer. I wanted to shoot a quick video to go over two things. The first is every Wednesday night is our cutoff night. So basically what that means is you have until midnight tonight to lock in the best possible position in our binary matrix, okay? So you can see right here, this is your power line registration. And say you were to come in here tonight at 7:35. All right, this would be the timestamp from your registration locks in your position into our power line system. Everyone else that registers after your timestamp will fall below you. Okay, so check this out. This is your upgrade. All right, so everyone in the power line has until Wednesday at midnight to upgrade to a gotbackup $9.97 a month data protection plan. All who upgrade will remain in the gotbackup power line. Until every Wednesday at midnight, all paid upgraded members will be moved over to the gotbackup commissioned matrix. What that means is, if you are a pre-enrollee watching this or you're thinking about joining this, the sooner you lock in your position that you pre-enroll into our power line system and then go ahead and upgrade, the better position you're going to get in our binary matrix. Okay? So you can join this for $9.97 a month with a one-time $40 reseller fee. All right, and that affords you your back office with all the marketing tools. We have banners, we have images, we have ad copy. Everything you need to be successful promoting gotbackup, you get inside your back office. On top of the 6 terabytes of the data storage that you can use, share it with up to 5 other people, and use it on an unlimited amount of devices. And on top of that, you're going to get a full autoresponder. You get a full business tool suite. You get everything for a one-time $40 reseller fee and then $9.97 a month. So you want to make sure that if you're a pre-enrollee or haven't even pre-enrolled yet, that you go ahead and do so and then upgrade and join before midnight tonight. The second thing that I wanted to talk to you about is we have our live webinar tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern and every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. So on our Wednesday webinars, you're going to meet the owner. You're going to meet some of the corporate team. You're going to get a tour of the facility. All right. So you're going to see that all of this, it's a $10+ million facility. You can ask any questions you have, and then it's just a good place to learn about the business opportunity and more about the company. All right. So again, that's tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you have to do to go watch the webinar is go to gotbackupwebinar.com. Right here you can see it, gotbackupwebinar.com. That's at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight and every Wednesday, okay? So, if you have any questions about gotbackup, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to learn more about the business opportunity before our webinar tonight, you can simply click on the link below or go to gotbackupsystem.com. You'll be taken over to this page right here. We have a 6-minute video that goes over everything. And then you can pre-enroll in our power line system by entering your name and a valid email address and clicking reserve my position now. All right, so that's it for this video. I know it's super short, but I just wanted to remind everyone that tonight is our cutoff night and we have a live webinar at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All the links are down below. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you find any value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.